Build upon a skeleton, what is it that you find? A heart that skips a beat, one capable of love. Lungs for air we breathe the same. A brain containing mind, clever enough to explore even the most intangible ideas. A mouth to express the containments of the mind, simultaneously keeping our bellies full. Find muscle, find blood, find skin, the outward layer most visible. Each body containing each part, yet scorned and abused by the layer freely seen. The eyes, they gaze to the surrounding society in front of us, seeing the push and pull of confused bodies, for falsified visions and ideas of what is or what should be emerge. Wrongdoings leave the parts withered, the heart growing weary, the mind and mouth forced to silence, the muscles stiffening while fluid parts disconnect. Survival demands a change. Break free from the watchful eye, break free from the outside looking in, break free from anything that makes you anything but you. Because despite everything, we are human, label as human.